Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It has a full service history with Howard's, and it features the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done under 10,500 miles, so if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.